Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about pointers and arrays. One of the important advantage of pointer is accessing array elements. What is arrays? Array is a collection of same data which shares common name. We will see the example. Here, the array is declared. The array name is ARR. The size is 5. The values are stored are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I declare the array like this, the memory is created. So it will store the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ARR 0 is having the 1, ARR 1 is having 2, ARR 2 is having 3 and so on. If you are seeing the address, ARR 0 may start with the 1000 and next ARR1, that is a 2 is stored in the 1004 and 3 is stored in the 1008. Why 4 bytes gap? Because each integer occupies 4 bytes. So every integer will occupy the 4 bytes. So next integer, next array element will start after the 4 bytes. So we are assuming that the address are started with the 1000. So the starting address is called as a base address. Now we are going to access this array by using pointer. So first we will assign the arrays into pointer. So for that reason, first I have declared the one pointer variable. Since it is declared with the asterisk, it is called as a pointer variable. Now I want to store the address of array into my pointer. How it is? First we have to give the pointer name p equal to, then array name p equal to ampersand arr0. Why arr0? Because arr0 is the base address. So we are storing the base address of array into pointer. This is the one way. Otherwise, simply we can store p equal to arr. That is without ampersand. This also legal. So when we are storing this one, either this option or this one, what will happen? The pointer variable p is created. It will store the starting address of array. That is the base address of array. Now we have assigned the array address into pointer. Now we are going to see how to access the arrays using pointer. If I want to access the first element, I can give like this: printf percentage d asterisk p. What is p? P is 1000. So if I give asterisk p, it will give the value of 1000. What is value of 1000? 1. Now we want to display the second element. What it is? 1004. How I can access? Simply I can give p plus plus. What is p? P is pointer variable. P contains 1000. I am giving p plus plus. It is nothing but p plus 1. Here what is happening is it is not increasing 1000 plus 1. Instead it is increasing 1000 plus 4 bytes. Why 4 bytes? We have declared this pointer is integer, so it is increasing 1000 plus 4 bytes. So when now if I display the p, so when I give this one p plus plus, p value is changed into 1004 because already 1000 is there. P plus plus means p plus 1. Instead of 1, it is increasing the size of the particular pointer. What is the size of the particular pointer? 4 bytes, since it is integer. So the p is updated into 1004. So if I display this asterisk p, it will display the 1004. You can see it is displaying the value 2. This is the displaying value. So if you want to display the 4, what we have to do? Here we can give p plus 3. P plus 1 is 1004, p plus 2 is 1008, p plus 3 is 1012. That is nothing but 4. So you must understand, when we are accessing the arrays with pointer, we no need to increase the pointer variable according to the index. We can increase simply by 1. If we are increasing the value by 1, it will go to the next position. If you're increasing the value by 2, it will go to the one more position. But no need to use the asterisk. We are using the without asterisk. That means we are accessing the memory. Then we are increasing the 4 bytes and so on. We'll see the example. So in this example, I created the same array. I'm storing the array address into pointer. Let me give printf percentage %d. I'm going to give asterisk p. So what will happen? Let us run this code and we'll check the output. It is storing 10. Why? Asterisk p is nothing but the starting point. What is the starting point? 10. Now I'm going to give p equal to p plus 3. What is p plus 3? This is p plus 1, p plus 2, p plus 3. So this is p plus 3. Let me display this one. So I'm going to give this is asterisk p. I'm going to display this is the asterisk p. I'm going to give the slash n. Here I'm going to give p plus 3. That is I'm going to give p plus 3. So let us check what is the output. Yeah, asterisk p is right now it's a starting point 10. P plus 3, that is nothing but 40. You can see here. So if we want to, if we are creating the double array also, it will applicable into same double b of 5 equal to, I'm going to create the small array 1.1, 2.2, 3.2. So I'm going to create the double pointer, double asterisk point PO. I'm going to give P1. Then I'm going to assign the address of double array. Now I'm going to give P plus P1 equal to P1 plus 1. Now if I display this one, printf, I'm going to display P1 plus 1. So I'm going to give F. Now I'm going to give asterisk P1. Now we'll see the output. We'll check what is the output. So here P1 plus 1 is 2.2. Why? P1 is 1.2. P1 plus 1 is 2.2. Do you remember the size of double? The size of double is 8 bytes. So if you are increasing the pointer variable by 1, it is increasing 8 bytes. That is why it is able to access the 2.2. If you want to access this array by using for loop, what shall we do? So I'm going to remove all this code. I try to access this array by using pointer. So I equal to 0, I less than 5, that is the array size, I plus plus. Now I want to display. So to display, I'm going to give printf. The printf, I'm going to print the number. Which value I have to print? I have to print the pointer. So asterisk p I'm going to give. So first I'm printing the asterisk p. The next time I have to print the next item. So I'm going to give p equal to p plus 1. So every time when loop is executed, we are increasing the p value by 1, so that it will start from 10 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you are giving slash n, it will be easily you can understand. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what I am doing, I am storing the array address into P, then I am displaying the first item, then I am increasing the pointer by 1 so that it will go to the 20. Then it will check the condition will true, it will come and it will print the 20. After that it is increasing the P by 1. Then when it is 20, whenever increasing P plus 1,